Hi everybody! In this video we're going to talk about continuously compounding interest. So take 3 deep breaths and let's make this math easy. All right, so in previous videos we've talked about the compound interest formula, and in that formula, K stands for the number of compounds per year. So if it's compounded monthly, then K equals 12. If it's compounded quarterly, K equals 4. And the bigger the number that K is, the more money you're going to make in interest, because K represents how often you earn interest. And if you earn interest more often, then you'll have more interest to earn money on the next time you compound it. And because you'll make the maximum amount of interest as K gets bigger and bigger and bigger, there's an idea called continuously compounding interest, which is where you essentially compound the interest an infinite amount of times. So this is calculated with a limit, which is a calculus concept. And basically the idea is that as you let K get infinitely big and you compound the interest an infinite number of times in a year, when you do that and calculate that for the compound interest formula, you end up with this formula here. So as K gets infinitely big, this part of the formula right here becomes this number here. And E is called Euler's number because the Euler that we learned about in the graph theory unit, he was the one who kind of came up with this idea, or at least part of it. And so the number is named after him. And it's an irrational number, kind of like pi, where the decimal goes on infinitely long. But usually you can just use a couple decimal places for E, and it will usually be pretty accurate. So that's what continuously compounding interest means. And you'll be doing a project where you'll be using this concept. So the main idea is that if you end up making K infinitely big in this compound interest formula, that formula ends up equaling this. So I hope that this video was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy your project, and I'll see you in class.